height of this guy in this view. And the reason I'm going to do it over here is I could probably do this guy here, no problem. But when I come into the overall, you're going to notice that there's a bit of an issue, right? I have that crossed extension line. That's not good for business. So I'm going to do both of these guys over in the right-hand side view. I'm going to do one here. This is going to be my partial. And then my overall is going to be just outside of that guy. There's the 1.75. And then the last one I need to do is the depth of this guy. And again, I'm just going to use that other reference to make sure that they're right at the same height. Now, a common question that comes up, and if you're looking at this and you have a little bit of experience, you're probably noticing, like, how come there's no dimensions in the top, right? I could certainly have put them in the top. My preference is to start with the front, do everything I can that doesn't cross up, and then move to the right side, do everything I can that doesn't cross up, and anything that's left over, I put in the top. But this depth dimension, I could certainly put up here if I wanted. It's the same as I could put these length dimensions up here. That would have been okay too, but I choose, probably just by habit, doing front, then right side, then top. It's up to you.
The number of one will be out.
Here?
No, the first.
Here?
In front. The front view.
Here?
Yeah, it's out. The number one is out of the lines. Two lines.
Oh, probably because the text size.
Oh.
So I already changed mine to be just one decimal place. So if you go to your dimension style manager, it'll probably yours as well. So it probably is your text height. Now, just to reiterate, I know I kind of already said this, but in this particular view, you're going to notice that I gave a 1 and then I did the other part right next to it. This would be equally as correct if I decided to do this guy here. All right. So if I wanted to do that part, that's just fine. It doesn't really matter as long as you're giving 2 of the 3 parts, so I can get the third one from subtracting. So however you had that, you don't have to be exactly like mine. So it should look kind of something like that, I hope.